we're heading to our campsite at Quincy Lake. It's located about 10 miles off of I-90, and it's on the east side of the Cascade Mountains.
Yep, we found it on Camp Indium, but you can also find reviews and stuff on freecampsites.net as well.
While the campsite is free, it does require a Washington State Discover Pass, which you can purchase online for $30, and it lasts a whole year. They have 2 vault toilets located at the campground on either end.
Yep, they're pretty clean too and have like newer toilet tops. Aside from our beautiful scenic site, we also get great 4G T-Mobile.
Yeah, we can stream movies and TV shows all day long. Our AT&T is about, a weak LTE signal or a stronger 3G signal. We can use it all right, but that T-Mobile's really where it's at.
Definitely.
We've been camping at Quincy Lake now for 3 nights, and it's just been a really private site, and we've been having a good time here chilling out.
Yeah, we scored a really awesome spot right by the water, so we have a great view right outside our window.
The campground follows a pack-in, pack-out rule, but unfortunately not many campers oblige by it.
Yeah, we've seen a lot of broken glass on the ground, beer cans in the bushes, and trash in the fire pits. We picked up as much as we could, but there is a lot around here.